So yeah, back on the LED light installation, the bulbs. This is the retaining ring that I was speaking about earlier that you cut in half. I'm just going to cut it right here. Some people go ahead and notch it out. I don't really feel like paying attention, that close of attention to the orientation of the little twisty dudes. So I'm just going to cut it down past the point where it needs to be to clear this wire that comes out the side, which is roughly, if you look right here, this is the part that holds it in. These are what, hold on, let me, there's a lip inside here that holds it, that presses up against this part. And then these three little tines that stick out here. Yeah, you can see them just fine. These three tines are what you go line up with the slots, and then you twist it, and that's what holds this piece on. So anyway, due to the fan, as earlier stated, they have the wire coming out here. So I'm just going to, with my little metal cutoff saw, because it's an abrasive blade, it cuts plastic just fine. And then I deburr it on my little belt grinder, freaking sander, just sander Magoo, this little dude right here. Okay. And away we go. You know what I mean? And then I hit it with a deburr just 'cause I'm cool like that. So anyway, that's that.